Don't want AI with your new iOS 26 update? Here's how to turn off Apple Intelligence. Apple's iOS 26 introduces Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI/generative features baked into system apps, writing tools, visual intelligence, ChatGPT integrations, notification summaries, etc. For users who prefer less automation or value privacy/minimal interference, Apple provides ways to disable or limit Apple Intelligence. Here's how. What is Apple Intelligence AI? In iOS 26, here's a short breakdown. Features include assisting with writing, proofreading, summaries, rewriting, visual tools, Genmoji, image playground, image wand, smarter Siri suggestions, summarizing notifications, etc. It is enabled by default on devices that support it. You can selectively disable some parts or turn off the whole thing. How to disable Apple Intelligence entirely. If you want to fully turn off Apple Intelligence on your iPhone/iPad, here are the steps. Open the Settings app. Scroll and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. Look for the toggle labeled Apple Intelligence. Set it to off. Confirm if prompted. Once off, most AI-assisted features will be disabled. You'll lose features like automatic summarization, some Siri enhancements, visual intelligence features, etc. How to disable specific AI features instead of everything. If you don't want to shut off AI completely, you can selectively disable only some parts. This helps retain useful AI tools while removing the ones you dislike. Options include going to Settings, Apple Intelligence, and Siri. Scroll to Apps or App Permissions. Disable. Learn from this app for apps you don't want AI to draw data from. Turn off specific features like notification summaries. Restrict categories like writing tools, image creation, intelligence extensions via screen time content, and privacy restrictions. Intelligence and Siri. Extra. Use screen time plus privacy settings. Another layer of control is via screen time's content and privacy restrictions. You can block access to certain AI features entirely, for example. Disable writing tools. Disable image creation, image playground/Genmoji/image wand. Disable intelligence extensions, third-party integrations. This helps especially if you share your device or want stricter oversight. Things to check/keep in mind. Not all iPhones will support all Apple Intelligence features. Older devices might be excluded from some tools or may not have the Apple Intelligence and Siri menu. Turning off Apple Intelligence may free up some storage, since supporting AI features often require model data, assets, or resources. Some AI features might have residual traces unless wholly disabled, suggestions, summaries, etc. Sometimes toggling off doesn't immediately remove UI bits until a reboot or after system cleans up.